Hey everyone, you see me over here? We're finally gonna build my computer. It's about time.
So before we build, we're just gonna take a little look at everything. A GTX 1060 graphics card that I currently had, cable extenders, AMD Ryzen 2 700X, 16 gigabytes of Ztronic Royal memory. You'll see what color it is. 6 of the HD series fans. 550 watt power supply, so modular, and of course a Evo 500 gigabyte SSD M.2 or whatever. And oh yeah, I forgot motherboard. Republic of Gaming Crosshair 7 Hero gaming motherboard. The Corsair Crystal Series 570X case, and of course an additional 1 terabyte of storage. And of course, we're transferring Windows from this little SSD that I previously had. So let's get building. Well, first off, we have to clear everything off. We start with the case first. I mean, that's at least how I'm going to do it. And yes, I have extra lighting just for the occasion. There's really no easy way to unbox this. We're going to have to move the table aside so you guys can see. Okay. Ready? I hope it's not upside. It's upside down. I never get it right the first time, do I? No. Okay, let's try it this way. Is it upside down? Well, we're going to figure this out. Is it upside down? Nope, we're good. Slide it out like so. Bingo. Manual. Comes with fans, but we're gonna remove them. Delicious. I already have a BIOS update for the motherboard on my flash drive, so just saying. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys close up. I'm gonna put this on my little table. I've been waiting patiently to do this. Ready? Wow, we're gonna do it on the other side then. Pull these little tabs. The screw's in the way, but whatever. Ow! Okay, don't shock yourself. Okay, well, building a computer. Oh, I need to take off my socks. Okay, well, at least I discharged myself. You don't want to build a computer while you're charged. That's why you should wear anti-static wristband. That's why I'm going to take off my socks. No, cut throughs or anything. I actually always do the bottom ones first. Make sure we don't lose them. We're going to keep them in this little thing I found. Can't lose any of these screws. And I don't think they send spares either. So yeah, I'm going to take off every single piece of glass so we don't break it and we can install the fans. I'll be back soon when we're done. Okay, I finished completely. All things are out. So first off, we just take off this. Let's see what's inside. Oh, lots of good screws. Zip ties and some seals, like rubber seals. Screws, zip ties, and lots of other goodies. We need to keep these for any mounting that we're most likely going to have to do later on. Oh, I see you. Guess we're keeping you too. I don't know how you got out. We have all our good screws in here, so we never lose any of them. Okay, first off, fans. We take off this and unscrew every single fan. Yeah, I did it. I finally finished. Oh my god, it took forever. Okay, ready guys? We are going to do like a little unboxing, which is what part 1 is all about. So first, we're going to unbox this, and this, and of course this. Royal Memory first. Ooh. So we're gonna unbox this first. See, it's very nice. Oh, I love peeling. Oh, great! Now my fingerprints are all over it. Well, whatever. I'm still gonna, guess I'll still peel it off anyway. Storage, little SSD. It's M.2. We're gonna save the motherboard for last. You don't have a lot of cleaning to do. The CPU, and of course the fan's in here. But the fan will be for the next part of the video. And of course, my favorite part, the motherboard. We're gonna take it out, ready? So I don't shock it, I'm gonna touch anything that's metal to discharge myself. I took off my socks, so no more power. We're gonna carefully take out the motherboard, somehow. Okay. Gonna push it up. Oh wait, there's plastic. Oh, I love doing that. Pull up. I'm only gonna touch anything that's really plastic, nothing else. Keep touching the plastic. I don't want to touch the bare metal. And oh, we got some stickers and stuff. Oh, this is gonna be a big unboxing. We're gonna put you off to the side. You guys want to see what else is in here? Boom, manual. We also got step 1. Oh, a coupon. Oh, come on. Bingo. Manual, stickers. Got lots of stickers. You like stickers? Of course you like stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? Oh, we also got one of these little cup things. Man, Asus always goes overboard on that merch. Oh, yeah, look at that. What's in here? Oh, a SLI slot, a typical one. Good for typical purposes. SATA, zip ties. Love the zip ties. Thanks everyone for the zip ties. Not you guys, the manufacturers. They go, love zip ties. What is this? Oh, they never told me they came with that. RGB extender. I've been wanting one of these. Or actually needing one. SATA, and don't even know what this is. Oh, RGB adapter. Ooh, isn't that nice? I wish you guys could see it, but I don't have a cameraman. I was going to, but yeah, they retired. So right now, touch the metal, because I ain't breaking any of this. Yeah, it has a couple PCI lanes. I guess we're gonna do the M.2 slot first. Okay, first off, we're gonna install the M.2 SSD. So we're gonna grab my mini screwdriver and take off the M.2 SSD area. Heatsink. Oh, you have to remove that heat. Why do they even put plastic on it? So I try to remove the plastic. It just removes the what's cold. When I try to move the oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's sticky too. Ooh, really sticky. Okay. I'm gonna have to go get a screw for this M.2 slot. I don't know if the motherboard comes with any, but I'll go find one in my parts area. I'll be right back. Does it come with any screws? Nope. We're gonna slide it in here. Push it in a little more. There you go. And I guess I'm gonna have to steal you because Asus forgot. Okay, you're a nuisance. Small screws could be nuisance. Okay, we're good. Okay, we got it. No, almost. No, I guess we're good. I guess it's supposed to wiggle. Don't do that. Anyway, you're supposed to be moving this label, but to access, but I guess we're fine. This thing's really cold anyway. I don't even know which way it's supposed to go. I think it's supposed to go the other way. Yeah, I think it goes this way. Okay, I'm gonna carefully put it on the right way. You good? Wait a second. I think, never mind, I don't think they did forget the screw. I think it's actually, I think one of these are supposed to be the screw that holds down everything. Oh, that's why. Okay. We're gonna get that. We're gonna see if my theory's correct or not. By putting you back. Well, you know, let's see if I'm right. Let's see if that is the culprit. Go here. We're gonna see if simply screwing this thing in will fix it. We're gonna screw this one in first. This side. This keeps everything down. Yeah, I think I'm right. I don't think you actually have to screw that in. I think you just put the screws in here. It holds it down. Yeah, yep, I think that's it. Yep, that's how you do it. Never mind. Asus, never mind. Just being an idiot. Okay, CPU goes next. And then RAM. Beautiful. Now, we need to be very careful. Let the pin up. Well, actually, I'm supposed to take the CPU out. You don't have to pin up, but whatever. Ready? And be super, super careful. The CPU has little pins on it. I want to be the most careful as I've ever been to anything. This thing costs more than a PlayStation 4, so well, it actually weighs quite a bit. We're gonna get the arrow and match it up carefully, lining it up. Oh, it worked. It worked. Oh yeah, that's in. That's in. We're good. We did it. I didn't ruin it this time. Woo! Yeah. I didn't ruin something. For once. Next, the RAM. Wherever I put it. Okay, ready? Z-Trinit Royal. I'm gonna touch this so I don't shock anything. We're good. I don't have an anti-static wristband. I don't know anyone that uses them. I took off my socks. That should get rid of the shock. For sure. Actually, if anything, I'm actually gonna use this microfiber cloth to insert them because... darn, DDR4 is a lot different than DDR3 to pull them both back. Or in actually almost every DDR. Oh, wrong way. If it's the wrong way, just flip it around. No big deal. Carefully slide it down. Okay, never mind. It was the other way. I was just doing it. Wrong. Carefully push it in place. Ready? Don't be afraid to push. Okay. Boom. Let the first one down. Just carefully wipe both sides, just because I like it clean, and sleek. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, now carefully grab the other stick. Touch the middle hole. We're good. Just do it once in a while. Okay, we're gonna my microfiber cloth. Is it and put this? Remember, on Asus, it's a little different how you're supposed to do it. Oh, and pull that side. I'm so used to it. Oh, flip it around. Okay. And push it down. Don't be afraid to put... Oh, darn. Okay. Let's try this again. Push it down. Don't be afraid to use force. Just a little force, not too much. Ready? First motherboard. Yes, wipe it down. Nice and clean. There we go. We did it. Oh my gosh, we did it without me breaking anything. Okay. We install fan afterwards, I think. Is there already the fan thing on here? Yep, we're good. Trying to think of what we're supposed to do next. I would install the motherboard. Maybe that is what we're supposed to do. Wow, this thing has so many ports. Lots of beautiful buttons too. Look at it, Supreme FX. Ooh, it's shiny. You have to clean that. Clean that shiny Supreme FX. Here we go. Asus doesn't even know what's coming. So yeah, I think I'll install the fan after I put it in. Oh yeah, right here it has extra power pins, which we won't be using. Oh no, slow mode? Oh, let's switch that off. Right now it's off. Little battery for CMOS. I think we're good. I think I successfully put everything on. Now install it inside the computer. So I think that might be next part where we will do that. Maybe, I'll think about it. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Actually, ready now. I want to clean everything up. Hold on. Put the motherboard in without breaking anything. Okay guys, after a long, painful trying to figure out the screw situation, we're finally going to install the cooler. Huh. Wow, guess this might not take so long after all. Maybe. Who knows how long those front panel connectors are. So time for unboxing. So, we got that. We got cords. We got sink. Get the heat sink. It goes like something. Oh yeah, I'd rather it go like this. Oh fuck, touch the thermal paste. Okay. Okay, ready? We're going to be very careful to figure out the situation. Man, you know how long this is going to take. These stupid pins, I hate this. I like the Intel better. Just get the screw. Bingo, I got one latch. The other one, did I get the other one? Come on, you can do it, I promise I won't judge you. Just get in there. Come on. Why? Building a computer can be fun, but it's extremely stressful too. Bingo! Oh man, that's sturdy. See, told ya. Fits perfect. Thermal paste, mwah, good. We also have this little cable to work with. I need to figure out where that CPU, fan 1, CPU fan, where's the CPU fan? CPU fan, there's a lot of fan headers on this thing, like a lot of them. M.2 socket 3, where's socket 2? Oh, I found socket 1. Just gonna find the CPU fan header so it doesn't give me an error. I know this thing loves giving errors when it can. Fan 1, socket, blah blah blah. You know what? I'm just gonna plug it into this header right here. Let's hope for the best. Ready? Bingo. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. 4. Maybe 5, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck this down here. Bingo, is that it? That's CPU fan 1? Okay, I hope it is. We did it. Oh, now we have to connect these little monsters. And if you don't know what these things do, if you know anything about these are the front panel connectors. They're the ones that drive everyone crazy. Hey everyone, okay, we're back. We finally got to part 2. Yay! I mean, of the build, I don't know the video. Video, I'll decide. So, time to add our beautiful, nice power supply. With our cable extensions in mind. I do miss my other computer already. Anyway. That's okay, missing computers is what we do best. Here. Wherever the heck here is. Anyway. Okay, so this is where we mount our power supply. I already have the screws for it. So we just open this beautiful, nice, luxurious box. Bingo, big fat brick. Anyway, keep that in mind. We carefully install power supply like so. Even I can do this part. This is like the easiest part. I don't know what's easier, the CPU, RAM. Okay, the RAM was. I don't know what's easier, this or the CPU installation. It went well. It went well. Have to line the holes up correctly. Never the easiest part. Just scoot it over. Scoot over a little more. Okay, we're good. And we just basically get our screws. And we fast forward. These aren't the screws, but these are. The first time. Bingo! Yeah, we have a lot of cables. Okay. Next, we're gonna use the cooler and hook it up to all this beautiful RGB. Ow! You're spinning. You were down all the way. Where'd you go? I found you. Down here. Pull you out. There's another one to pull out. Not that it don't matter all that much. I could try to route it. I'm just gonna go down here, go over here. There you go. Want the full? You want the full RGB header? Actually, you could use the USB 2.0 header. There you go. There'll be less cable to worry about. Okay, ready? Graphics card. Who's ready for the graphics card? Ready? Stuff's in here. Oh yeah, I had this graphics card before. Actually, I'm kind of using it, but I'm gonna do a real unboxing this time. Bingo. Looks fine. So you take off this. 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 And this. There you go. Set the C. Yep, some too. We're going to install it. Pulling this one back. Keep it down. I think we have to pull this up. Oh no, yeah, we push it. Make sure it's completely lined up. There you go. And I guess we put this back then. Yeah. Okay, the moment of truth. Will it turn on? We'll see. Okay, ready? Okay, I got the power switch wrong. Easy fix. Flip the power supply. And I have to find the right power switch. I'll be back once I figure it out. Let's hope it works. Ready? Oh, it works! Except this one's not lighting up, but we can fix that. Oh, it sounds amazing. Seriously. Oh wait, none of these three are lighting up. Okay, well we'll fix that later. Oh yes, of course. Did I press? Oh, of course. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I don't think we pressed delete in time. 15. Yeah, so these are not lighting up in that one, which we can easily fix. Yeah, eventually. That's fan number 2. Oh, there we go, there we go. Just took a bit. Damn. Wow. Never seen it. Delete. Or, no, it says F2. Do I need to get a different keyboard for this? Okay guys, it's finished. After all that suffering and a bunch of troubleshooting, it's done. It's beautiful, it works. All the fans do exactly what they're supposed to do. The CPU cooler lights up. You can't even tell that the glass is here, literally, you can't even tell. Corsair logo glowing. You have this. Yeah, it looks beautiful. I think I did a good job, finally. I mean, the cable management could use some work. And of course, I need to fix back here. If you guys see this, it's awful. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I try my best to zip tie as much as possible. I'm gonna have someone help me fix that. Here, see. But yeah, you can see. All those cords. I tried. It's not easy with this case. You don't got much cable management room. But yeah, it works. Brand new high-end processor. I'm finally happy. I could probably use DaVinci now without it lagging. Finally, DaVinci. Otherwise, it works. I could probably render faster too. Oh, I also have that Supreme FX. Oh, there's a little spot on it. That little spot right there is bugging me. Whatever, I'll wipe it off later. Next time I do some cable routing. That's it, and everything works perfectly fine. I have like the latest stuff. Oh yeah, I'm gonna let you guys hear the fans. Okay, ready? You guys listen. Yeah, man, so much airflow. Oh, I can actually feel it blowing out. Yeah, beautiful. And it's actually quite quiet. Watch, once the fans are off. I like this little thing. I was gonna get rid of it, it annoyed me, but it's actually kind of helpful. When it doesn't freeze, of course. It works. I'm gonna keep it actually. Oh great, now it's frozen. Why? Why freeze now? Great, now my fans are stuck loud. I'm going to show you how quiet it can get, but not now. Oh, let's see what to do here. I have it under here. Game first, I guess. It doesn't. There. No, wrong one. So this one? I don't know which one it is. Okay. No, that's RSync. Okay, maybe it was. Oh, there we go. It works now. Yay. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Damn it. It's working slowly. Oh, we're gonna figure it out. Game first. Is it like? I guess we'll have to click here to open it. There we go. I'll turn you down, buddy. Yeah, I guess I don't want to go down. Okay, I guess I have to figure this out now. Come on. Turn down fans. They usually work. You know, let's do like a little restart. I needed to restart it anyway. The restart's very fast. I'll show you how fast it is. Ready? Hold on. Oh, after a restart, it's not fast. That's for everything. Okay. There we go. Fans are back to normal now. See? Super quiet. Here, listen. Beautifully, it's quiet. Yeah, I guess the software is not the best. Oh yeah, next video, I'm going to get my friend's PC up and running. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And yes, the room is clean, and I love these stickers. Gonna make a do not disturb sign. Made my laptop look better too. And yeah, see you guys later.